बचपन के दिन के बाद ज्यादा कट्टी बट्टी हुई नहीं है।
Professionally also, if you're talking about like बहुत बार during the making of.
You can say it. It's fine.
नहीं यहाँ बच्चे वगैरह होंगे तो।
Nikhil, this question to you. Why over here? Why Kangana? You know, of course, Imran also, but why specifically Kangana for this role?
Okay, so Payal's role is very, how do I put it? The role is, it's very unpredictable, it's very volatile, it's very spontaneous, she's slightly mysterious. And I've always felt that from the time that she did even Gangster or the role that she did in Fashion, I've always felt that there is so much more to Kangana Ranaut than maybe any of us have explored. And then when I saw Queen, what Vikas had done with her, it was fantastic. You know, he had taken her, he had allowed her to fly. So she was the logical choice. I didn't know she would actually do it. Went to her, and then I mean, now she's standing here.
Right, Nikhil. Another question for you, digressing a little bit from the topic of Katti Batti. Just one small reaction from you. Just recently, FTII, the students of FTII are protesting for the appointment.
FTII guys, say something.
Right, you know, specifically that's why the question to you, because you are a director and you've worked with FTII as one of those institutes that brings out the talent in the industry. They're protesting about the appointment of the chief, Gajendra Singh, because they don't think, you know, it's a fair appointment and the process should be more transparent. Any reaction that you've got for this as a filmmaker?
I agree. I completely support the protest. I agree. I think that the FTII over the last 50 years has produced some of the most immense and magnificent talent that is there in this industry. And I'm sure that they can actually find somebody from FTII who knows what it requires, A, to teach the students over there, and B, what the students need when they come out from there. So I completely support the protest.
Imran, Kangana, anything to say about this? Because, you know, you guys are actors. There is a certain sort of an intellectual process involved in filmmaking. And FTII is one of those.
This is the first time hearing about this. I'm not aware of...
So what we'll do is actually, we've got Nikhil's quote on that, so we'll move ahead on that.
All right.
Something about the music, which is fantastic, Nikhil, and we've got a young talent sitting over there in front. He's now become very big also. But it is, I know a lot of people say foot tapping music, but it's not always foot tapping. But this one's been playing for 2 hours in my ear, and my foot was moving like this. You know, so how did that come about? And then we call Siddharth on stage.
I've been very fortunate to be able to work with Shankar Ehsaan Loy from Kalona, from the time that...
You're a loyalist, are you? You believe in that?
Yeah, completely. So you can hope to see Imran and Kangana in a lot of my films. So yeah, so I like to be very safe and structured, and Shankar Ehsaan Loy have always completed everything that I want. We completed the music of this film in 6 days. 6 songs, they made me hear 6 songs, and I said all 6 are fantastic, which is very rare. And a big also contribution is Kumar sir, who's sitting over there. Sir, nobody's going to believe that you've written the lyrics of this song, of this film, because all your chichorapan is gone. So he's a very big contributing factor. But yeah, I mean, Sid is there. Sidhu's, his first song was for a small film of mine called Delhi Safari, and now he's here.
My question is to Imran and Kangana. कट्टी बट्टी तो जिंदगी में लगी रहती है एक्चुअली ना, तो ऐसा कोई इंसिडेंट कभी कोई याद हो बचपन में या आपकी अभी बॉलीवुड में कि आपने किसी कट्टी हुई और बट्टी करवाई हो? डू यू बिलीव इन दैट? लाइक आई मीन टू से बहुत बार ऐसे होता है कि हमारे क्लोज फ्रेंड में कट्टी हो जाती है, पता नहीं यू आर लाइक...
यार सच कहूँ तो बचपन के दिन के बाद ज्यादा कट्टी बट्टी हुई नहीं है.
प्रोफेशनली आल्सो इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट, लाइक बहुत बार ड्यूरिंग द मेकिंग ऑफ द फिल्म कभी ऐसा होता है कि मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग हो जाती है, कट्टी बट्टी हो जाती है?
आई थिंक हमेशा होती रहती है ऐसे तो, क्योंकि कभी आपके छोटे छोटे आई थिंक जब खासकर एक्टर्स या जो भी आर्टिस्ट हो, डायरेक्टर्स हो, या जिनके साथ आप काम करते हैं, बहुत ही सेंसिटिव लोग होते हैं, तो छोटी छोटी बातों पे नाराज़ हो जाते हैं, पता भी नहीं चलता नाराज़ है किस बात पे नाराज़ है, तो उस तरह से फिर उनको मान भी जल्दी जाते हैं. तो ऐसा कट्टी बट्टी तो हमारी इंडस्ट्री में तो बहुत चली रहती है.
या निखिल की तरफ?
नहीं, आई थिंक अगर जो भी आपके दोस्त हों, चाहे आप हों या कोई भी हो, तो आई थिंक कुछ छोटी छोटी बातों पे तो सभी नाराज हो जाते हैं, उसमें तो कोई वो नहीं है.
लेकिन कभी आपने सुलह करवाई ऐसे?
आप नाम जा रहे हैं या कुछ?
नहीं यार, थैंक यू.
कंगना, या हेलो.
Okay, that's the last question we take.
Last question to you,
thanks,
Kangna. Kangna, correct me if I'm wrong. How true is it that after back-to-back hits like Queen, Tannu Vs Mannu, whatever scripts comes your way, you have turned out to be more choosy and pricey for the script that comes your way? So is it true?
Well, the thing is कि choosy तो हम इंसान हमेशा ही होना चाहेगा, चाहे आप सक्सेसफुल हो चाहे नहीं, ये बात अलग है. आपके पास कभी ऑप्शंस होते हैं, कभी नहीं. तो पहले मेरे पास ऑप्शंस नहीं थे, उसका मतलब ये नहीं था कि मैं चूज़ी और प्राइसी नहीं होना चाहती थी. अब ऑप्शंस है तो अब आई कैन अफोर्ड टू बी चूज़ी एंड प्राइसी. लेकिन ऐसा आप हमेशा सोचते हैं, लेकिन जब आपको वाकई में कोई स्क्रिप्ट पसंद आती है तो जैसे निखिल सर ने कहा, विदाउट इवन थिंकिंग ट्वाइस, प्राइस के बारे में या मेरा रोल क्या है या किस कैरेक्टर का ज़्यादा रोल है, यू जस्ट गेट सो इन्वॉल्व. इट्स लाइक falling in love, or you just don't know about consequences.
लेकिन कट्टी बट्टी की बात हो रही है तो there are newspaper reports saying that Kangna is having a cold war with Deepika Padukone, but next day only you are having a party with each other. So what is it all about, the chemistry between both of you all, or what is the bonding? No, bonding I mean.
It's katti batti.
Katti batti.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. We'll do a little photo up with the four. We just take the mics. Just a minute.